Struggling to lose weight no matter how hard you try? The secret might be in your kitchen. Today, I'll reveal the most powerful spices and foods that can ignite your metabolism and help you burn fat faster. These natural boosters are easy to add to your daily routine and can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. Ready to discover these fat-burning wonders? Let's dive in. Turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that boosts metabolism and reduces inflammation. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing fat storage. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing morning drink. Sprinkle it over soups, rice dishes, or even roasted vegetables to enjoy its benefits. Cinnamon, the sweet fat burner. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing sugar cravings and supporting fat loss. Stir a teaspoon of cinnamon into your morning coffee or tea. Sprinkle it on yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious, fat-burning snack. Ginger, nature's thermogenic. Ginger increases your body's temperature, speeding up your metabolism and aiding digestion. Make a simple ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water with honey and lemon. Grate ginger into stir-fries or smoothies for a zesty kick and extra benefits. Chili peppers, the capsaicin power. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which converts fat into energy and curbs appetite. Add a pinch of chili flakes to your salads, soups, or stews. Be cautious though, too much heat can irritate your stomach. Green tea, a natural fat burner. Green tea is rich in catechins, which boost fat burning and energy levels. It's also loaded with antioxidants for overall health. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily for the best results. For an extra boost, have a cup before your workout. Avocado, the healthy fat hero. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that keep you full for longer and reduce fat storage. Spread avocado on whole grain toast for a nutritious breakfast. Add avocado slices to your salads or smoothies for a creamy texture and added nutrients. Yogurt, your probiotic friend. Yogurt, especially those rich in probiotics, supports digestion and reduces belly fat. Enjoy yogurt as a snack topped with cinnamon or fresh fruits. Opt for low-fat or Greek yogurt for fewer calories and more protein. These spices and foods are your natural allies in the fight against fat. But remember, no single food can work miracles alone. Pair them with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and inspiration. Together, we can achieve a healthier, happier lifestyle. Let's keep going strong.